ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के बारे में जानकारी देंगे। ऑपरेशन सिंदूर 22 अप्रैल को पहलगाम में हुए विभत्स आतंकवादी हमले के शिकार मासूम नागरिक व उनके परिवारों को न्याय देने के लिए किया गया।
9 terrorist camps were targeted and successfully destroyed. Over the last 3 decades, Pakistan has systematically built terror infrastructure. It is a complex web of recruitment and indoctrination centers, training areas for initials, refresher courses, and launchpad for handlers. These camps are located both in Pakistan as well as Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir areas.
इन लक्ष्यों का चयन इंटेलिजेंस के आधार पर हुआ ताकि आतंकवाद की रीत तोड़ी जा सके और ये खास ध्यान दिया गया कि मासूम नागरिक व सिविलियन इंस्टॉलेशन को कोई नुकसान न पहुंचे।
All the targets were neutralized with clinical efficiency, and the result reiterates professionalism of the Indian Armed Forces in the planning and execution of their operations. No military establishments were targeted. India has demonstrated considerable restraint in its response. However, it must be said that Indian Armed Forces are fully prepared to any Pakistani misadventure that will escalate the situation. With sindoor of strength and soul of fire, she rose with pride, climbed ever higher. More than a mission, it shook the floor when India's